Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. B channel. In this video I will try to install a photo editing app, GIMP or GIMP. Either way, it's a Photoshop alternative for Linux OS. And as you know, in my previous videos I explained how my Chromebook getting better because the most recent Chrome OS update gives me ability to install and run Linux apps or Linux programs. So after a quick Google search, I found the article from Gizmodo where he's saying get more out of your Chromebook by running Linux apps. And if you scroll down, or I'm just gonna jump straight into the part where I found that is saying that I can actually install GIMP on my Chromebook with no problems. So let's see if it's actually gonna work. First, what I'll do, I'll update the repositories just to see, just update everything. I like to, before installing anything, I like to update everything on my Chromebook just to know if I get everything, most recent files and etc. And next one, I will do upgrade if there is any upgrades. Let's have a look. No, so sudo apt-get install GIMP. And let's see if it's gonna work. Yes. It says that it's going to download it's going to use another 177 megabytes as storage. Fine, I'll click Y and click enter. So right now it's downloading and I'm going to install and we're going to see how it runs. At the moment my trackpad on my Chromebook is playing up a bit. So what I'll do, I'm going to take the mouse, disconnect from DeckStation, and I'll plug it in a Chromebook. So now I have a mouse instead of use trackpad because I think trackpad is a bit weird, acting weird. So let's wait until this gets all these files installed and etc. And while it's installing, back on the Gizmodo article, they think that you can install the VLC player if you want, and Office, LibreOffice, I can install that one as well. So obviously by using sudo apt-get and install function. So we're gonna see how it goes. So right now, let's wait until this installs. Instead of me doing a short video tutorial or step-by-step what I actually done, I like to do these longer versions because from my personal experience, when I'm watching someone's tutorial on how to do one or the other thing on your device, they just does in that step 1 do this, step 2 do that, step 3 do this, then in about 10-20 minutes the installation will be completed. And this 10-20 minutes not always is 10-20 minutes. Everyone's experience may vary, everyone's device might be a bit different. Okay, if you have the same Chromebook, then you get the same experience, or you should get the same experience. But somebody's doing a video on a faster Chromebook, or doing a demos, let's say about something on a faster Chromebook, and I'm trying to do the same step by step on mine, it's gonna take, and it's gonna be a bit frustrating for me when I can see that someone is successfully finished and his installation is working and mine's not. And another thing I hate about this is just constantly start stop video. Step 1 do this, stop. So you do on your device, wait until the step 1 finishing, then it starts again. So these kind of videos where I'm doing a longer version, I'm doing a raw, let's say uncut version, is I believe this way helps you to follow the steps. So what you see on a screen, and if you started the same process on your Acer R11 Chromebook, you and me should finish at pretty much the same time. So, and I hate editing videos. I mean, I love recording videos. I love sharing my experience with all of you. But editing videos is just cut, stop, do transitions. Nah, raw footage straight in. That's it. Information as fast as possible. I want to give you information as fast as possible without any fancy graphics. Just that's what you need to do. Click this, do that. That's it. Done. Go. So I'm still yapping and sorry, this unzip is still happening. I'm just a bit tired. Anyway, yeah, we actually done it. We actually completed. So technically I should have GIMP under my Linux apps, and that's it. So let's open up. Let's see how it's gonna run on my 2 GB RAM Acer i11 Chromebook. So GIMP 2.8, querying new plugins and etc. Okay. Still loading. Pretty much out from me trying to use GIMP on the PC, I would say a loading speed is nearly the same as I would expect on the PC version. So let's minimize everything and go to a desktop. So this is, I believe, going to be this side. This is going to be this side, and you're going to be somewhere in the middle, taking all the rest of the space. Obviously, I can. Okay. Can I hide the auto hide? No, actually, start. Let's leave start. So new file. Let's see what we can do. 60 by 640. No, wait. 600 by 400. Okay. Template. No. Actually, let's choose. Do I have 1920? 1920 by 1080. Let's say as you would create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So that's it. Let's see if I can copy and paste the image inside there. So let's say this one. So I'm doing GIMP video. So let's search for word GIMP. Go to images. I need to find the image of the GIMP. Okay, this one quite good. Let's click on it. Get the full screen. Okay, let's do copy. Go back to GIMP, and can I paste it inside? Edit, paste. Can I paste inside? No. On the Photoshop, it allows you to copy the image of the internet, just paste straight in. So that's not allowing. So I need to save the image onto a Linux folder structure. Can I create a new folder? Yes, and call this GIMP. So in the Linux file structure, I'm creating a folder, and inside I'll say this file, which then I can go and open from here. So image, edit. Okay. Can I? How to? I don't use GIMP to create my thumbnails. I'm using Photoshop, so I'm a bit lost by here. Here we are. Got this one open. Okay, opening up. Let's minimize everything. So this is my yes, Control C and Control P picks it up. Fine. Where is the? This is pencil. How to get the arrow? Where's the arrow? Right, let's get this one. Let's move. You see, it's a bit flickering. Let's say this way. It's a bit laggy. Install GIMP on Chromebook. What size I want this? Do I need to select all text before I choose a size? Yes. 80 more, 120 more, 125. Okay, and how to move this thing now? Okay. Okay, that's the job. Editing, yes. 250. But it's a lot of. Okay, it's too much. 200. Too much. 180. Yes. Okay. What's this white pattern? I have no clue. It's a PNG. How to? Okay, I'm doing something and I don't know what. Zoom 50%. Right, plus and minus, zoom in, zoom out. So if I click here, zoom out. Okay, So this is my thumbnail. Install GIMP on Chromebook. Okay, does the job. Layers, you can insert layers and etc. Spacing. Cause I don't use GIMP or GIMP image editing software that much, so I don't know roughly. I don't know all the settings about. I'm a bit more Photoshop person. But still it does the job, so cancel that. So anything else I would like to add? Okay, what else we need to add here? We need to add the actual Acer R11 Chrome. Let's find the image of my Chromebook. Okay, this is my image. Let's find something. Actually, this one is not bad. Okay, so if I do save as image, again in the folder GIMP, I'll create this. So I'm going to say Acer R11 under GIMP file. Let's do file, open. I got my Acer, yes. Opening up, copy, paste here. Fine. Can I move around? Yes. Let's just leave. This is weird. Oh my goodness. Why this one is selected? Oh, okay. Okay. Selection. All. Selection. None. So back to this. For some reason I got this box select. I have no clue. I mean, it works. As you see, I'm editing image with no problem. It just, I'm not familiar. I'm not the GIMP user, so your mileage might vary. You might be able to create some wonderful thing using this. I'm just gonna leave as it is. I just can't really go and mess about anymore. And now it gives me some weird format. I need to export. Okay, file, export as, bingo. Under GIMP, I would like to export as, oh my goodness, a lot of file names to choose. Okay, Photoshop, etc. PNG will be fine. So let's call GIMP. Come on, GIMP YouTube. That will do. Oh, bad. And export. And this is my thumbnail for this video. Export. Obviously, if I knew more what this app can do, I would possibly be able to create even more. But now this is my limits. I'm not that kind of big GIMP user. So if I open this up, let's see how it looks like. Could be better. Anyway, I'll leave as it is. Right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one, we're gonna try to install, what's this thing is called? Office something. No, thank you. OpenOffice? Is it OpenOffice? LibreOffice. We're gonna try to install that on my Chromebook and see how it goes, even with this very slow Chromebook device. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.